What's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Swole coming at you with another video, and this is day number 9 of my bench press everyday challenge. And today we are doing the barbell floor press. Now, the barbell floor press is another bench press accessory lift, and the purpose of the lift is to work on sticking points. Now, the sticking point for this accessory lift will be the lockout, because the floor stops the bar from coming to your chest, which also takes the momentum out of the lift by not allowing you to bounce the bar off your chest. Therefore, make sure you control the bar on the eccentric portion of the lift and don't use the floor as momentum by bouncing your elbows off the floor, because you will shatter your elbows. The purpose of this lift is to build lockout strength, not to hit a rep PR. So when you bring the bar down slowly, rest your elbows on the floor and explode up. And if you choose not to rest your elbows on the floor, you can hover your triceps over the floor and explode up from there instead. Either way it works and is effective in building lockout strength. Now, I finished up the workout with weighted pull-ups, barbell curls, and freehand jump squats. The full workout is listed in the description, so enjoy the rest of the video, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification icon, and be on the lookout for day number 10.